Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. We are going to make this soap using a high amount of palm oil and calcium. You know that the cost of making soap these days is not easy. So to make more profit, we are going to use a high amount of palm oil and a high amount of calcium in this soap. So I'll introduce to you the things you'll be using. This is my calcium. This is my foam booster. This is my sieve. I'll use using this sieve to sieve our oil so that there won't be debris in our soap. Our fragrance, you just put small. Then this is our soda ash, and that is our caustic under it. You can see. Okay. So then our spatula, and you can see our palm oil. It's much. We are using a high amount of palm oil. Remember I told you we are using palm oil for profit. Okay, so we start by getting prepared. I've already fetched water and everything I need for this soap making. Okay, our calcium, everything is ready. So the first thing I'll do is to soak my caustic soda. So I'll be listing all the ingredients and their quantity on the screen. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm fetching the water I'll use for dissolving my caustic soda, and I'm sieving it. You don't have to sieve it. You can just pour into the caustic soda. When it's well mixed, you sieve. Okay, so but I just decided to sieve it that day. So after pouring in my water, I now mix in my caustic soda into my water. Jama'anmu barka dai. Yau za mu yi sabulu da zai ba mu riba. Za mu yi shi da manja da calcium. Za mu yi using manja lita mu 5, calcium namu kilo 1, caustic namu 8, soda ash namu shi ma 8. Sai ruwa za mu yi using lita 4. Ku kalli video ɗin ku ga yadda muka yi sabulun nan. So you can see I'm mixing in my caustic in my water, not my water in my caustic. Okay, so please, for those of you that ask me to wear hand gloves, Mona no vex. So if I wear hand gloves, this work I no go enjoy them. But with all this, you can't even see my hands peeling because I don't even touch the soap before I'm done. Okay, so I've added all the water I need. The water I'm adding here is the water I need for both my caustic soda and my soda ash. I'm mixing them together. Why I did this is so that my soda ash will dissolve easily and faster. The heat from the caustic soda will help the soda ash dissolve. Okay, so that's why I dissolve both of them together. So I'm still mixing. Now, one thing I would like you to know is it's not as if PKO cannot be used in making soap alone. PKO alone can be used in making soap, but PKO is more expensive than palm oil. Okay, even though PKO will give you better bubbles, but palm oil will give you strength. Palm oil will also reduce the cost of your production for you in a significant amount, because at times there could be as much as 800 naira or even more difference between the price of palm oil and PKO. Okay, so I'll be using more of palm oil in this production. So that's 1 liter of palm oil. I've already melted my palm oil and sieved it. Okay, before starting this video, I did it the day before, and that's why you can see my palm oil looking solid, because that's the texture it has at room temperature. Okay, you know I used chemical to bleach my palm oil. If you've not watched the video, you can check. I showed you how I bleached this palm oil using chemical. Okay, so it's not I didn't use firewood to bleach it. So I'm still measuring my oil. Okay, so for those of you that are just joining our channel for the first time, you're welcome. Okay, thank you for stopping by. I appreciate it very much. If you love what we are doing, please do try and subscribe. So that's my PKO I'm adding there. Okay, that's 1 liter of PKO into my production. I used only 1 liter. You can use more, but I used only 1 liter because remember I told you we are making something with high profit. So I've mixed in the 2 oils together, and I'm now pouring in my soda ash and caustic together. I'm pouring it gradually, and when you pour, if you feel as if it's too thick, you give time to mix, and then before you pour another one. Even though if you pour all at once, you know this palm oil, if you pour all at once, the batter will just become strong, goop, like that, and then for you to start stirring and stirring and stirring, it won't be easy. So when you stir small, when you pour small caustic, you stir, you pour small caustic, you stir. That's the remaining soda ash. The remaining soda ash that they poured inside there. Okay, so the container was too small, so I mixed it in 2 different containers. Don't mind me, I'm catching my phone. My brother and his friend, they came with my mechanic. All of them were in the house, so they were gisting me. They didn't allow me to work that day. That's why we gist and gist and gist. So sorry for the that's why I had to mute the video so that the noise won't be too much for you people. So as you can see, I'm still pouring in my caustic and my soda ash. I finished pouring it and I'm mixing it in. So this is a very simple recipe. It doesn't have too much additives, and the soap will come out well. You know, at times if you make soap and you put too many things in it, getting your profit might be hard. And at times, for example, if you put too much calcium, your soap tends to look too chalky. Okay, so but this one, as you can see from the beginning when I showed you the finished product, that was not the case. So I'm still mixing it in. I'm using my spatula now to remove some debris I saw in the soap. Okay, yan uwana Hausawa, kun ga mun kara man mu PKO lita 1 a cikin sabulun nan ko, kuma kuka ga yanda muka yi shi. A hakan zai fi ba mu kauri da riba. So now for my old subscribers, thank you very much for sticking with me. Thank you for watching my videos. Okay, thank you very much. If you have any questions, you can all ask. So that's my calcium. I'm pouring in my calcium. I'm sieving in my calcium into my soap. You know, sometimes these things come with debris in them. So I'm sieving in my calcium. I have about 1 kg. I have about 1 kg of calcium, which I've sieved into my soap, and I'm mixing. This soap, when you make it in the morning, by evening it has hardened. As you can see, I'm not using too much water in this soap. If I want more soap volume, I'll add water to the calcium, but I did not, because I prefer to get something that is solid, that is okay and solid, than just volume, and then the soap will come and shrink. It will be good for your market. Okay, so you can see me mixing it in. Okay, haka yanzu za mu sa kumfa. Na zuba kumfa rabin lita, kuma wannan sabulun bata ji chemical da yawa ba, bata ji ruwa da yawa. So that's my foam booster going in. That's my foam booster. I put in enough because you know, see this soap palm oil plenty for inside them. So enough foam booster go enter. Okay, so my soap is ready. I'm oiling my mold. This stainless steel mold, I'm oiling it. So I'll just mix it and pour. This, as you can see, no color, no extra. Simple recipe, you get enough profit. You can see. Unfortunately, most of the cutting videos for this soap were on TikTok, and I didn't download it fast enough, so I lost them on TikTok, because I made this video as a live on TikTok. So if you can be following me on TikTok, it will be good, so that anytime I'm doing any live video, you'll be able to watch everything. Live on TikTok, everything will show. So if you're on TikTok, you can follow me too, okay? So these are just some of the few ones that were in my phone that I was able to show you people. Unfortunately, I could not show you the unmolding, okay? But these are just some of the few videos. So you can see us cutting using our multiple table cutter. This table cutter can cut big size, can cut small size. This is the size that they sell 100 naira, 120, 150 in the market. This is it, okay? And you can see it will give you even cut, the same all the time. And it is easy to use. Up to 4 people can use this cutter at once. You can see how fast it is, ma. Just see. Most cartons of soap contain 24 pieces. If you're using this cutter, in less than 30 minutes, you've gathered 10 cartons. You can see how I'm stacking them up and I'll cut at once. So honestly, it's easy to use and it has less off cut. This off cut that you see me getting like this is because I didn't use the mold meant for this cutter to make the soap. Remember, I used that stainless steel mold. When you use the mold meant for the cutter, the off cut you get will not even be up to this. You can see the size is the same every time. Okay, you get the same size every time. And then if you want to cut a bigger one, these are the big sizes, the type they sell 250 in the market, 250, 480. This is it. Okay, you can see these are the big sizes. You can see very neat cut. Okay, so this is the end product. This is the small size. I'm selling this in my shop. I packaged it. I'm selling it in my shop 130, 150, 160. Okay, so if you enjoyed this video, try to subscribe so that you keep on watching more from us. Thank you.